Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the air cabin filter for a 2017 Volkswagen Golf. So this is not the engine air filter, this is the air filter that actually filters the air that you're breathing inside of the car. It has nothing to do with the engine. Sometimes I get comments where people are a little confused that somehow the engine air filter also filtered the air inside of the cabin. It's not the case. This is just the air filter that filters the air you are currently breathing, and they often get overlooked, and it's really easy to change out. You do not need to pay someone to do this. It doesn't even take any tools if you can pry the little tabs up with your fingers, where I used a flathead screwdriver. So with all that out of the way, let's jump in. So if you're wondering where your air cabin filter lives, it is behind your glove box. But you open your glove box, well, you can't see an air filter. What do you mean? It's actually behind here, and it's a little tricky to get it out. So the first thing we're going to do is actually come on the side of it. Right here is the limiter, and you push that down. A little tricky to see, I understand. And then you pull it out towards the outside of the vehicle, just like that, and it'll look like that. So it gives you kind of an idea of how that's shaped. And then on either side of the glove box, there's this doohickey, and this is basically the limiter. There's one on this side, and one right there. So you push that up right there. Do the same thing on this side. Sorry if my hands are in the way. And the glove box comes down. Be careful, because all the contents will spill onto the passenger floor. So this is actually right here where your air filter lives, and these three tangs at the top need to be pushed down on while you remove from this side with your finger, just like that. Be really gentle. You can snap this plastic like you won't believe. And then once those three tangs are defeated, you can just pull up and away. Then you can kind of get your fingers in there and remove our old air cabin filter carefully. These can be a little dusty and gross. This one looks more or less okay. That's all right. So this is our new unit. It is a Molly LAK888, and the link is down below in the description. Now, if you noticed, the air filter indicator, the airflow rather, was pointing down towards your feet. And since that's the factory unit, I'm going to assume it's correct. So I'm going to have mine facing that same way. We can just place it in. See my arrow facing down. And we can just put that in behind that lip. Oh, look how nice that fits. Oh, that's nice. And then we just do the reverse. So now we can put back our housing, making sure the honeycombs are facing us. You should be able to see the word Denso right there at the end of my fingertip. And we're just going to put those slots into their home, and then you just push onto the tangs until they make that nice clicking sound on each one. Just like that, and your air filter's installed. Now we can put the glove box back together. So putting it back in is really easy. All you need to do is firmly push it back into place, and those limiters will reset. You don't have to do it manually. And then for the slow close on the side, we need to put that into there and push it up. Put that in its home. See that? Oh yeah. And then finally, close your glove box. This job's done. So that is how to change your air cabin filter in 2017 Volkswagen Golf. It is incredibly easy. You do not pay somebody to do this. You are more than capable of doing this, because if you take it to someone, they're going to charge you over $100 to do something where the filter only costs $15, something like that. So you're saving a ton of money, you know you're doing the job correctly, and you'll have nice fresh air to breathe inside of your car, because those filters often get overlooked and become dirty and your car starts stinking. This is the first thing I change when that happens. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider giving it a like or subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.